Everyone, I'm Kanika Saxena. Hope you're all doing well. Today I'm here to talk about you. It's not about me, it's about you and your story. Life is something very interesting, and each one of us has a different take on life. Our perspectives on life are based on our experiences, our interactions, our belief systems, and the values that we grow with. Each one of us faces different challenges. We come across different types of people and situations, and how we interact, how we cope with our challenges is what shapes our personality and makes us who we are. This also makes each one of us different because we have a different journey, and each one's journey has a different story. This is what makes our stories unique, because what I have gone through is not something that you have gone through. We have all experienced different things and become different people, and this makes life meaningful. And I've had many people who tell me that they want to share their unique story in the form of a book. They've been people like my friends, my relatives, and even doctors have told me, one day I'm going to write a story. So why not? I'll make it easy for you. You need willpower and determination and a sense of commitment to complete your book and publish it. I did not say time, because again I've heard many people say that I want to write a book but I don't have time. I tend to believe that most of us have time for things that are important to us. We always take out time for those activities that we like to do, we enjoy doing, and they are our priorities. So if you have book writing in your mind and you're not able to write it, believe me, it's not in your set of priorities. It's somewhere in the background. And you feel, someday you will. Why not today? So you can write your book. All that you need to do is first put it in your to-do list that yes, book writing is a priority for me. And then I'm there to guide you. For all you budding authors, I have started a series of monthly newsletters where I will be sharing tips and tricks on how to get started with writing, completing your manuscript, and all through the process of formatting, editing, and finally publishing your book. I will also suggest a few marketing tips, but I believe that marketing a book depends largely on the content of the book and the author's approach. So there are some general tips which I will share, but this will go on in a series. And I have already started sending out the first set of newsletters to the subscribers in September. And this newsletter covers tips on how to complete your manuscript, how you ensure that you complete it. This is also an important part, because many authors think of all other stuff like editing or formatting or cover design, that they are the more important things. But a small step, like ensuring that you complete your manuscript gives you a lot of confidence. And I have, in my journey, I've started many times excuse me, and not been able to complete my book. But it was only when I was a little strict and disciplined that I completed my first book. So I have shared tips that will make it easy for you to complete your manuscript. And then in the next few months, the following newsletters will cover all other aspects of book writing, editing, and publishing. I will also share tips on how you can publish your book for free on Kindle Direct Publishing, and that's absolutely free of cost when you publish the book over there. So yes, this is what I have. I'll be sending out through different newsletters each month. We are already in the second half of September, so if you've not subscribed, do visit my website kanikasaxena.com and subscribe to my email to get your monthly newsletter. And hurry, because not many days are left in September, so that you get started with the first set of tips, and the continuity is there. Also, all these newsletters will be sent in a PDF file. So if you are someone who prefers, a printout in front of you to check and follow, like me, then you can always you can download the PDF and take a printout and get started and fulfill your dream of becoming an author. So do visit my website kanikasaxena.com and start your journey of becoming an author. Publish your story. Let the world hear what you have to say. I'm there to guide you and make your journey easier. I have also shared blogs, which I will continue to share, on book writing, and I will even cover the mistakes that I made as an author, so that you can avoid those pitfalls and achieve success faster. So here's to all the budding authors, all the best, and do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kanika Saxena. Thank you. Until next time. Bye-bye.